Hey y'all, today we're cooking mustard greens with salt pork, Creole style. So let's get started. I got these greens from the grocery store, so the bunches have less dirt but are a bit smaller than those from the farmer's market, so I got 3 bunches. Mustards are large greens that resemble elephant ears. One interesting fact about cooking greens Creole style is that each green is prepared to look a certain way. That way you don't have to ask the cook what type of greens you're eating. Mustards are stripped from the stalks. The smaller veins between the leaves can remain attached as long as they are small. For larger veins, strip the greens from the vein. This preparation gives the greens their classic jagged thread or string-like appearance. Now, while you're removing the greens from the stalk, you want to check for any abnormalities like huge bug bites or rotten areas, or even badly or suspiciously discolored areas. You want to make sure you discard those. Now let's finish removing our leaves from the stalks. Once all greens are removed from the stalks, wash the greens at least twice in salted water to remove any dirt. Now, let's add some bacon drippings to a pot large enough to hold the greens. If you don't have bacon drippings, then vegetable oil or some other neutral oil will work just fine. Once the oil begins to shimmer, you want to add some sliced salt pork. Salt pork is the traditional meat Creoles use when preparing mustard greens. So even if the shape of the greens doesn't give away that these are mustard greens, the use of salt pork should. Now, once the salt pork has browned slightly, you want to add some yellow onion and some Creole seasoning. Stir this a bit to combine. And then add some warm water. Stir to deglaze the bottom of the pot and cover. Allow to simmer for roughly 20 minutes until the salt pork begins to get tender. Then you want to add your washed mustards to the pot. Some minced garlic. Some table salt. Some ground black pepper, a bit of granulated cane sugar, and some additional yellow onion. Visible onions are another classic ingredient that Creoles put in their mustard greens. Cover and allow the greens time to wilt before mixing to combine all the remaining ingredients. Once all of the ingredients are combined, cover and allow to simmer until the greens are tender. This takes around 20 minutes. And there you have it. Some good loving from the oven mustard greens with salt pork cooked in the Creole style. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. We love to have you as part of our Creole and Cajun cooking community. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our Creole and Cajun delights. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.